Um, it's the third day. Yesterday we chainsaw most of it. I had a neighbor show up and help out, so we were able to open a space where we have the tent. We got a little stove right there, and we chopped down pretty long trees and we cleared out like all this area. Okay, so all of this stuff seems to be chopped into smaller and smaller pieces, and we got a pretty good view of what's happening here. I got a driveway made over there, park here at the start. Kind of take a look what kind of gear I brought. I can show you.